In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Restore Pages pop-up in Google Chrome. If you're like many of us, you may find this pop-up less than helpful, especially if it keeps interrupting your workflow every time you open your browser. Luckily, there's a simple way to prevent this from happening without any hassle. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To begin, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. Do you see those three little dots stacked vertically? That's what we call the Chrome menu, and it's your gateway to all sorts of settings and customization options. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu filled with a range of tools and features. Now, from this drop-down menu, look out for and select the option labeled Settings. Clicking on Settings will navigate you to a new page filled with a variety of configuration options tailored to your browsing experience. Don't be overwhelmed by the number of options here. We're just focusing on one specific area today. Once you're in the settings, I'd like you to cast your eyes over to the left panel of your screen. There you'll find a list of categories, and you should see an option labeled On Startup. This section deals with what Chrome does when you first launch the browser. Clicking on Startup will bring you to another set of options, and this is where the important part happens. You'll notice there are a few different settings you can choose for how Chrome behaves upon startup. To hide that pesky Restore Pages pop-up, you'll want to switch to the option that says Open the new tab page. This is a crucial step because, by default, Chrome might be set to continue where you left off, which is precisely what triggers that Restore Pages notification after an unexpected shutdown or crash. So, select Open the new tab page, and you're almost done. This little adjustment ensures that your browsing starts with a clean slate every time, sparing you the need to deal with troublesome pop-ups. Finally, close Google Chrome and open it again. When you reopen it, you should notice that the Restore Pages pop-up is nowhere to be seen. And there you have it, your browsing experience just got a little bit smoother. As always, feel free to revisit any of these steps if something didn't work quite right. And remember, you can always switch back to your previous settings if desired. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Happy browsing,